Good morning. I'm currently on the roof of claim number 1182L098P. It's April 16th, 57 degrees. I'm on a 12-12 pitch slope. I've been contracted to perform shingle repairs paid for by the carrier, and today we're going to be documenting this particular shingle repair. We are using our roof snake today. It is a tool designed for these specific shingle repairs that the carriers want us roofers to use. I'm going to be as careful as I possibly can throughout this shingle repair, manipulating these shingles as minimal as possible. I'm only lifting the shingles high enough to where I can visually see where the nails are and allow enough room for the nails to come out. I'm using the hatchet end of my hammer to assist me in gaining access to these nails. I'm seeing a lot of granules being disrupted as we're trying to manipulate and removing these nails. We're going to be using a standard 3-tab composition shingle to go into its place. You can get it in any local big box store. Reveal seems good, dimensions seem good. Now we're going to reinstall our nails. Again, now that I'm making these hammer hits, installing these nails, I'm hearing a lot of granules shed off of this slope